Before we begin this session, please note that everyone in a whiteboard session has access to all of the tools shown. Welcome to the Custom Computer Specialist WebEx Training Guide. In this session, I'll show you how to use the whiteboard in WebEx. To begin a new whiteboard session, click on the text that says New Whiteboard or press Ctrl-Alt-N to start a new whiteboard session. The presenter has control over the whiteboard session and can enable or disable users from creating annotations in this session. To enable users, click on the Allow to Annotate button, which looks like a pen with an arrow on it. Click on the user's name to allow them to make contributions to the whiteboard. Use the Arrow Point tool to call attention to areas of the whiteboard if there are multiple users in the session. Using the Arrow Point tool will place down an arrow with your name on it. If you prefer, you can use the Laser Pointer tool by clicking on the caret on the Arrow Tool button and selecting Laser Pointer from the drop-down. Beneath the Arrow Pointer tool is the Text tool. Click where you would like to type in the whiteboard and type to fill in text. To change the font type, style, and size, click on Edit, then Font, or press Ctrl-Alt-F to bring up the window. The font color is dictated by the Annotation Color button, which is lower on the Annotation sidebar. Beneath the Text tool is the Line tool. You can draw lines, arrows, or double-headed arrows. Once again, this color is dictated by the Annotation Color button. Below the Line tool is the Shape tool. This tool allows you to draw squares, circles, check marks, or X's. Beneath the Shape tool is the Pen and Pencil tool. The Pen tool has a thicker brush size than the pencil. However, one thing to keep in mind is that when using the Pen tool, there is precedence for colors and how they overlap other colors. For example, the color black will appear over every other color in the whiteboard session, and yellow will be overlapped by every color. When using the pencil, the color that you are drawing with will appear as the highest color on the layer. So if you're planning to draw over many different layers, it's recommended that you use the Pencil tool. You can use the Eraser tool to erase anything on the whiteboard if you make a simple mistake. Simply click on the eraser and then click on what you'd like to erase. If you've erased too much, then press Ctrl and Z to undo your changes. If you wish to clear your pointer or other pointers in the whiteboard session, then the Eraser tool allows you to accomplish this. To clear your pointer, click Clear My Pointers, and to clear others, click on Clear All Pointers. To clear annotations, click the eraser and click Clear My Annotations or All Annotations. This will wipe everything clear in the whiteboard to start over. Be careful though, because you cannot undo this. If you fill up a whiteboard and want to add a new page, click on Edit and then Add Page. This will create a new page within the whiteboard. To navigate between these pages, click the arrows or the caret to bring up a drop-down window. The presenter has total control over the whiteboard session, and when he or she changes the page to a new one or changes to a different whiteboard, then everyone in the session will see that content displayed. To create an entirely new whiteboard, click on the New Whiteboard button next to Participants. To save the whiteboard, click the Save button at the bottom of the annotation sidebar. Then, navigate to the directory where you wish to save it and name it accordingly. Saving the file in the UCF format will allow you to open the whiteboard file up in another WebEx call and pick up right where you left off. If you want to save it as a PDF, then click on Save as Type, then click on PDF from the drop-down. To save multiple whiteboards, click on File, Save All, then click on Shared Files. Choose to save it as a UCF or PDF file, pick the directory where you'd like to save it to, and then click OK.